design your single product landing page or sales page in WordPress without any coding skill. So let's get started. First of all, I want to introduce that in this tutorial I'm going to cover this tutorial will be helpful landing for page you design if you are wanted to design your I will try to create a single product landing page or sales page or in WordPress landing page without like coding this one, and we absolutely no need any coding skill, and I will show you how you can draw this without coding skill. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So let's check this landing page. It's very clean and lightweight and absolutely very professional look, and I like this sales page very much, and that's why I wanted to show you how I can design, and you can design this type landing page and product selling single landing page for your single product without hiring any developer or without spending any money to do this website design or landing page design. So let's get started. First of all, I am logging my demo website. This is live ecommerce.com, and I have installed my WordPress. I have already logged in right here, so I know you can log in your WordPress website. So this is super easy. Okay, so I have logged in this website, and now I'm going to click on the visit website. Then we will show this website fully blank and there is no design and fresh WordPress installation right now here. And I'm going to click on the settings and let me check the permalink as I have fresh installed this website. Okay, this permalink is perfect. Post name, so this is not worry about, you should not worry about this one. Okay, so I'm going to start designing our website. So we need three things to build a website like this one using Elementor and without coding skills. So first of all, I say we need a theme and two plugins. So of course I'm going to use this plugin that is named Elementor and very popular, and I also add another plugin very relevant with Elementor that's called Elementor header and footer. So I'm going to click on the add new under the plugins. Okay, okay, so now I'm going to search Elementor. Then I will install this plugin. So going to click on the install now, and there have another plugin that I have already told you. So this name is Elementor Kit Elements Kit Elementor. So I'm going to add this plugins also. So going to click on the install now button. Okay, so right now we have two plugin installed, and this is the time to active these two plugins. So I'm going to plugins page. I'm going to click on the Elementor. Okay, my Elementor plugin is activate right now, and next I'm going to active the Elementor Kit Lite. I have also activated the Elementor Kit Lite. Now we need to add a theme. So I'm going to click on the themes under the appearance. So click on the themes, and these themes we are going to use. The theme name is Hello Elementor. So this is very popular theme and relevant or integrated with a Elementor, and it is built for absolutely for Elementor phrase builder to design any website Elementor. So I'm going to find this Hello theme. Hello, just type hello and search in the search box. The theme is appearance right here, Hello Elementor. This one I'm going to install. So okay, I'm going to click on the install now, install button, and it installed. Okay, so it installed. So I'm going to right now click on the active. Okay, looks good. Now we have added two plugins and one themes, and we are absolutely ready to start designing our landing page, our sales page like this one. So okay, let me check the home page again. Okay, so there is no any difference, just we see that they are added a new theme, and we need to start building our website. So first of all, I'm going to click on the add new page. Okay, so I am going to type this page name home, then click on the publish button. Okay, we have created new page name home. Now we need to do others work, and right now I'm going to click on the reading button under the settings to make this home page as a static page or home page, so that when anyone visit this website they can directly visit this page. Otherwise they have to go to this page, they have to type home after the .com. So I don't like this one. I wanted to anyone when visit this website they directly show this page. Okay, so now we are going to uh, edit menu, because I like to go in the I like to go the designing and make ready everything before to go designing. And we have a menu right now here, so I am not going to add a new menu. Okay, so we have menu and setting up the front page, and we are absolutely ready to start building or designing our website. Okay, so I am going to click on the edit page button, or edit our home page. So now click on the edit with Elementor. Okay, and click on the setting button. Then I like to hide this title, so going to hide title button, and page layout will be Elementor canvas, because this will be one page single landing page. So I always recommend all designer or new beginner or beginner Elementor user or WordPress user, when you are going to create a single page or landing page using Elementor, then you should I recommend or you should use Elementor canvas, and that's why we no need to add any header and footer differently. Okay, so let's start our design. First we need top header section. I means we need to do first a section like this one, and then secondly we add header section, top menu section. So we starting design or the section. So I'm going to click on the add new section, one row, new column, and first I want to add phone number and contract number. Phone number, so I'm going to add another inner section, tags, and I like to make a little bit different. I want to add icon list, icon box. Let me icon list, icon, phone number, and we search phone here, phone, it looks good, and we are going to change the color. Icon colors will be like this one. Icon color, and everything is okay, looks good. Extended typography, I am not going to do anything in the typography right now. I will do everything in typography in the later. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate this one, duplicate, and adding this one here. Content, we add a email address here, info, sales page, design, or just keeping the salespage.com, and we add involve here, involve. I'm going to add this icon. Okay, so now time to remove the padding. Also margin, and okay, it's look good, and I think I need to increase the icons size in the both section. Okay, we have finished. Okay, now going to hover a column in a section, and there are two columns. Column gap, no gap, height, vertical line, about flow, and I think I need to going to remove the space. Okay, so we have added the phone number and email address. Now time to add the social icon at the top. So I'm going to click on the plus icon and search social and drag and drop this icon here. Social icon, we will should find different icon. Social icon, we will use best one at here. Social share. So I think this one will be best for us. So I'm going to use this one. Click on the edit icon, then position in the right and square, circle, rounded, and size. Social icon size will be this size, and now we are going to make this position in the middle, vertical align in the middle. Column vertical align in the middle. Okay, so it's look very good or very nice, I think. And I'm going to make the icon size more large. And remove the padding. Okay, right now it's look very perfect. I hope you will also be agree with me. And now we need to time to add logo and the menu bar. So I'm going to click on the admin section. There will be 3 section, 3 column, and here logo. I'm going to click on the find the image and drag and drop right here, and for demo purpose I am going to use any pre-made logo. Okay, we are going to use a demo logo. Large icon. Okay, for demo purpose or design purpose I am going to use this logo. I think I have to first click on the here change logo, then I have to use this logo master, and we use add menu here. So search in the nav menu and select main menu, and of course I like to enable one page, and I like to add a button here. Now everything is looks good. Let me make the vertical line in the middle and add a button here for because I want to add this button. So I'm going to search in the button, add button here, and button text will be get a code, okay, and make this button vertical line in the middle. So I think everything is okay right now and looks very good. Just going to change the padding a little bit. Okay, it does not changing, so I think I need to make this thumbnail size full. Okay, I just going to keep this design in the same. Going to click on the update. I have updated. Let me check the home page. Looks good. We can make a more perfection later. Okay. Reload, and now we design this part in the main section or promotional section. Admin section, 2 column, add text here. So this is our text. First I add text here or title, heading here, heading, going to copy heading text, and get package, going to copy this text, text editor, paste this text, package, and now add this text. Description, title description, and I don't like to add separator, so I'm going to delete this one. Okay, and now I'm going to add two button, discover more and buy. So just going to click here and button, double button, dual button, drag and drop here. So button 1 text is discover more, and this one just keeping a same, and dual button width 50 pixel, button gap 10 pixel, and let me style this button. Style button type button icon size, button 1 typography, button icon font size, so going to button radius 5 pixel, padding 10 pixel, going to make more perfection. Border radius 5 pixel, padding padding now looks good, and going to add image here, image, and save this image, smartwatch, add this image, just drag and drop. So insert this image. Now going to click here and make the vertical align in the middle, everything in middle right now, and we also have to draw more work here. I know first we need to work on the typography, color, and make more space, but I want to finish the layout first, so I'm going to add this two section here, save, add new section, two section in the plus icon, and we find a new element, icon box, just icon box, and copy this title is smartphone alert, this content, and discover more link. Just keep a hash link and icon position in the left, and our icon will be a smartphone, Bluetooth or phone or GP net network. I'm going to add this icon or alert. Or alert or warning. Let's use this one. I am confused to use, and now going to copy, duplicate, and add this one here. Connected, GPS connected, and just change the icon. Connected. Okay, and we also need to add a border here, so I'm going to add a border. Click on the design and typography, description, everything is okay, but I want to add border here. Click on the advanced and border type solid, border with 2 pixel, border color DDD, okay. In the same way, this one advanced, border type solid, border with 2 pixel, border color F9 looks good. Also making the same color, this one F9 E7 and 5 or 2, same color going to add here. Okay, we have finished this section. Of course we will work on the typography and to make more space, more heading and padding margin, and now we are going to add this section. So it's super easy will be for us. First I'm going to add new section, and make this section as a full width. Add a background image right here, so going to click on the edit column, style, background image. So in the background image I am going to use this one, no problem, I can let me use this one as image. image, and now going to add this image, inspect Elementor, and trying to upload this image. I'm trying to upload. Open new tab, save as image, and now I can upload this image at my website. Image, click on the image, insert image. Oh, looks good. Now making some space here, just click on here and padding top 50 and bottom 50, or I can add. Okay, of course I will add more space also here. 50, 50, 50, 50. Okay, so now we need to add content right here, this content. So I'm going to add this content here, new section. Okay, and add content right here. So I can directly copy this heading and use drag and here by drag and drop. Text learn span, learn span, and now I need to add two counter. So before that I'm going to make this in the vertical align middle. Now I'm going to add countdown. So to do this I'm going to add another inner section. Add. Okay, now it looks perfect. $24 and make it same as 24, and now I can add here in the counter countdown, countdown, $50 plus, $50 plus Okay, just going to add this text in the same way. Duplicate, 95. Making the same. Okay, and we have to work here to make it easy, change the color and font text, everything. So I think this tutorial will be more large, and I wanted to end this tutorial right here, and I will start the next tutorial or record next tutorial after later, and we will finish this section and make it professional like this one. So thank you for your time to watch this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then comment in my videos, and subscribe to my channel to get the notification in the next tutorials. Thank you for your time.